In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable online payments for bookings in Wix. By the end, your clients will be able to pay for appointments right on your site, making checkout smoother and reducing no-shows. Start by heading to wix.com and logging in. From your dashboard, choose the site that already has Wix bookings set up. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're opening the one with your services and appointments to avoid confusion. Next, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where you'll adjust what visitors see and how your bookings behave. If you haven't been in the editor for a while, give it a second to load your pages and save your work as you go, just in case. Now, look to the left sidebar and open Bookings. This panel lists your services, things like consultations, classes, or sessions. Pick the service you want to charge for and open its settings. Turn on Accept Online Payments, then enter the price for that session. Make sure your service details are accurate, title, duration, and any buffer time, so clients know exactly what they're paying for. If you display taxes or fees, ensure the price reflects what you want to show at checkout. With pricing in place, it's time to connect the payment method. Go to Settings, then Accept Payments. Here you can set up Wix payments, or connect a supported provider like PayPal or Stripe. Availability depends on your region, and you may be asked for business verification details before you can accept live payments. Review transaction fees, payout schedules, and supported cards so you pick the best option for your business. By the way, I've placed a link to the Wix website at the very top of the description so you can get to the correct page quickly. Before you publish, run a quick test. Go through your own booking flow as if you were a client. Choose the service, pick a time, and proceed to checkout. Confirm that the price looks right, the payment provider appears, and the confirmation screen or email reflects the booking correctly. If anything seems off, like the wrong currency or missing provider, head back to Accept Payments and your service settings to adjust. When everything looks good, click Publish in the editor. Your changes go live and clients can immediately pay online when booking. That's it. Simple, professional, and ready to accept payments. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and thanks for watching.